Hello students, so today we are going to discuss the questions of 8.2. 8.1 I have given you as a homework. I have also made one PDF file for this for few questions, all types of questions that I have solved. I will send the PDF also, as it was already discussed in the Google Meet. So I am going for 8.2 now. So in the last class, that is on Thursday, yesterday, you have got the videos of solving equations of this type of questions. So I'm going to do few sums from here so that you can get an idea of how to do it. So if I take the first question, 5y minus 1 by 2 minus 3y minus 4 by 3 is equal to 4. So if you remember, in the previous exercise also I told you that this can be done in two ways. Either you do this one first by taking the LCM and then continuing, or you find the LCM of these two number, that is 2 and 3 LCM is 6, and multiply each term by that LCM. So since the LCM is 6, so I have multiplied each term by 6. 6 into this, 6 into this is equal to 6 into 4. So when I multiply 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and 6 into 4. So 3 will be multiplied with this, 3 into 5y minus 1 minus 2 into 3y minus 4. So and then we continue with the distributive property. 3 5 is 15y minus 3 1 is 3 minus plus minus 2 3 is 6y minus minus plus 2 4 is 8 and 6 4 is 24. Next, I take the y terms together. 5y minus 15y minus 6y minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 24. So this two subtraction will give you 9y, and this is because having different signs, so we will subtract them. 8 minus 3 5 plus 8 is bigger, so plus 5 is equal to 24. Next step, the 5 will go that side, that will become subtracted. So 24 minus 5 is 19, and then this 9 will come here, so it will get divided because it is multiplied. So it will get divided 19 by 9. So you can stop the answer here also, or if you want you can convert it into mixed fraction by this, and then you can write the answer in this way. So either you stop here or you make convert it into mixed fraction, both are correct. So this is how you solve this type of questions. You take the LCM, multiply with the LCM in the entire equation, and then you can get your answer. Or else, as I said, you can subtract these two first by taking the LCM and like fraction and subtraction, and then you can continue. Okay, next I have taken question number 3 now. So 5 into 2r plus 1 minus 3 into 2r minus 1 and this. So in this case, first we'll break all the bracket words by using distributive property. 5 2 is 10r plus 5 1 is 5 minus 3 2 is 6r minus minus plus 3 1 is 3. 12 minus twice r minus minus plus 2 3 is 6. So now I'll take all the r terms together. So 10r minus 6r plus 5 plus 3, and here minus 2r plus 12 plus 6. 10 minus 6 4r, 5 plus 3 8, minus 2r, 12 plus 6 18. Now all the r terms I'll shift on one side and all the numerical terms on the other side. So 4r is already here, I'll bring minus 2r here, which will become plus. 18 is here, I'll take plus 8 there, which will become minus. 4 plus 2 6r, 18 minus 8 10. So now 6 is multiplied here, so it will get divided. So 10 by 6, so it becomes, if you cancel it, 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 5 by 3. So here also you can stop it like this, or you can convert into mixed fraction. So that is how this part will be done. This type of question, one more is there, but with decimal numbers. So let us see that. 4.5 plus 1.8 into 3 minus 4x, 3.5 minus 2.2 into 5 minus 2x. So we'll use the distributive property here also. It will stay as it is. 3 into 1.8 gives you 5.4 plus minus minus. 4 into 1.8 will give you 7.2, and there is a x, so 7.2x. 3.5 minus plus minus 5 into 2.2 will give you 11.0. Okay, so I will have kept it as 11.0 only here. Minus minus plus 2 into 2.2 4.4, and x is there, so x. Now I am adding these two numbers. Okay, 4.5 and 5.4, that gives you 9.9, and then you are left with minus 7.2. Here I am subtracting these two numbers. So because this is bigger, so from here I'll subtract this, I'll get 7.5. The bigger number has a sign minus, so minus 7.5 and 4.4x. Now as I said, all the x variable term will be coming here, all the numerical value will go there. So minus 7.2 is x already is there. My 4.4x will come this side, and the plus 4.4 will become minus 4.4. Minus 7.5, 9.9 will go there, it will become minus 9.9. Now because both are minus, so when two numbers have the same sign, we add them. So 7.2 plus 4.4 gives you 11.6, and because both are minus, so minus 11.6x. Here also both are minus, so I'll add them. I'll get minus 17.4. Next step, I'll bring this number here, so it will get divided. Minus minus gets cancelled, that means it becomes plus. And then you can see that here also after decimal one place, here also decimal after decimal one place, so you can remove the decimal. Okay, that means you are multiplying by 10 on both the numerator and denominator, and you ultimately remove the decimal. Now when you remove the decimal, I cancel it 2, I get 87, I get 58 here, and then I divide them. Because the question was in decimal, so I've converted the answer also in decimal. So when I divide them, I get the answer 1.5. So this is how this decimal type of sums will be done. Okay, next I take question number 9. It's of another type where the denominator is having variable. Till now you are getting variables in the numerator, but now you are getting denominator as a variable. How to do this? I will take LCM here also. I'll find the LCM of 3, 5 and 10, fine. But what about this x? If you remember when we have learned fractions and rational numbers, say 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4. How did you get the LCM there? We know that if both the denominators are same, then the LCM will be the same number again. Okay. So because here also it is x, here also it is x. So for the LCM of x and x will be x again, like this one. For 4 and 4, the LCM is 4. Similarly, for x and x, the LCM will be x. So first we will find out the LCM of 3, 5 and 10, which is 30. And for x and x, it will be x. So in total, what will be the, and we know that LCM is what? LCM means the product of all the factors. So first we got the LCM of the number 30, and then the LCM of the variable x is x. So ultimately, the LCM of thrice x, 5x and 10 will be 30 into x, that is 30x. Okay. So simply you remember like this, that for the LCM of x will be x, and then you find the LCM of the numbers and write it with x. Okay. Now it is 30x is the LCM, so I am multiplying 30x with all the terms. 4x by 4 by 3x into 30x, minus 6 by 5x into 30x, 3 by 10 into 30x. Now because here x are there in numerator and denominator, so x get cancelled and 3 10 is 30. Here also x gets cancelled, 5 6 is 30. But here x will not get cancelled because there is no x here. But 10 3 is 30, you can cancel that one. Now after that, what you get? 4 into 10. 4 into 10 40, minus 6 into 6 36. 3 3 is 9, and there is a x, 9x. 40 minus 36 gives you 4 equal to 9x. This one can be reversed. Complete equation can be reversed. 9x can be written this side, 4 will come this side. No sign will be changed because you have altered the entire equation. When you shift only one or two numbers, then the sign changes. But if you alter the entire equation, it doesn't change. So 9x equal to 4. In next step, 9 will come here, 4 by 9. So this is your answer, 4 by 9. Next we have this type of sum, 11 number. 5 minus 6x by 3 plus 4x by 3 by 5. This case you will simply do the cross multiplication. This is in fractional form, this is also in fractional form. Simply you will cross multiply this into this, this into this. Okay, anyone you can write first. I have written here this one first. If you write this one first, then it is okay. So 3 into this, 5 into this, and then it is as usual the distributive property that you have used in this question. This question that you have used, same thing you will be doing there. You will multiply them. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30. All the x terms I'll bring this side. So 12x minus 30x will come here, plus 30x. 25 plus 9 will go there, minus 9. Add them, 42x, might subtract them, 16. 42 will come here, will get divided. Do cancellation, 2 8 is 16, 2 21 is, so your answer is 8 by 21. Okay, and then one more type I will do here. Number 14, if you will see there also, you can see that algebraic terms are there in the denominator also. So what can be done here then? Simply just take this new denominator on the right hand side, because it is divided here, it will go this side, then it will become multiplied with 3. So 3 into this entire thing, so that's why I have given a second bracket here. And then this one you continue as before, distributive property. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12x, minus 5, minus plus minus, 5 2 is 10x. And I'll continue with this one also, 1 plus x plus 2 into x twice x minus 2. Now in this step, okay, first in there I take the x term, 12x minus 10x plus 6 minus 5. Here 3 into x plus twice x gives you thrice x. 1 minus 2 gives you minus 1. Next step, 12 minus 10, 2x, 6 minus 5, 1. 3 3 is 9x, 3 1 is 3. So in the next step, both x terms will be written together, so twice x. This will come here, so minus 9x. Minus 3, this will go there, so minus 1. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 has the bigger number, 9 has the sign minus, so minus 7. Here both are minus, so minus, and 3 plus 1, 4. So minus will become plus, and 7 will come here, 4 by 7. So the answer is 4 by 7. Okay, so this is how all the types of sum I've shown you. If you see in question number 10, this is number 13 is like 14 only. 14 was a little bit more complex, so I've done that. So 13, simply you will take this one here and multiply 2. That means it will become like this. When you shift this one here, it will become like this, 6 plus 5x, 2 into 6 plus 5x, and this one as usual you will do it and you will get the answer like you got here. This one also cross multiply, 7x plus 5 into 3, 3 minus twice x into 4, but there is a minus sign. So with which one you will going to use the minus? That's totally your choice. Either you take minus 4 into this or you take minus 3 into this, but minus will be taken only once, not with both the numbers. So either you will take minus 4 into this one or you will take minus 3 into this one, wherever you want to take the minus. Here also cross multiply, 2 into this one, 3 into this one, you will get your answer. Rest all are same. You can go through it and solve the questions. Thank you.